Okay, for our first example with the efficiency formula, it really is a level 1 kind of problem because you'll notice that it gives you two numbers with energy, right? 160,000 joules of NRG, which is us being silly, right? There's energy. And there's another number, 115,500 joules. And we've even labeled them input, output, so it's easy. As you're doing the practice problems, this will be a challenge because you have to be able to decide. So we always start with what we know. So I always write output as EO and input as EI. Output energy 115,500 joules, and the input energy is 160,000 joules. All right. Our formula we want to know, we're solving for, is this idea of a percent efficiency. All right, so what is that? You probably remember this from grade 8 when you used it in the mechanical systems unit. Very similar idea, right? And hopefully you can remember that there's no such thing as 100% efficient machines, right? Even in terms of electricity, we'll always lose some to things like heat and waste energy. So EO always is on the top and EI on the bottom, and then you have to multiply it by 100%. So that is the formula that we use for efficiency calculations. Some things to remember: this, if you need help, will always be the smaller number. All right, so if you calculate it and you find two numbers with energy, the smaller number will go on top. So let's sub that into my formula. I have 115,500 joules over top of 160,000 joules times 100, right? Percent. When you do that, 115,500 divided by 160,000, you end up with 0.71875. Now we multiply that by the 100%, so we end up with 71.88. I'll round up that last part as our final answer. So this stove is being around 72% efficient. So hopefully that helped.